The SportPet Design's rolling plastic crate feels solidly built, with a thick, impact-resistant shell that stands up well to heavy use at home and on the road. Its smooth rolling wheels that can be snapped on or off make it much easier to move a large dog without straining your back or dragging the crate. The metal door, chew-resistant metal ventilation slats, and extra hardware that secures the top and bottom together give a reassuring sense of safety for strong or determined dogs. Pet owners who fly will appreciate that it is designed to meet common airline kennel standards and even comes with travel dishes, tie-down points, and live animal labels included. Assembly is straightforward thanks to locking side snaps and clearly fitted panels, so you can put the crate together or break it down without tools in just a few minutes. Thoughtful touches like the recessed floor that channels spills away from your dog and the generous interior space make long trips more comfortable for large breeds.